How to remove your information from Radaris.com. Quick opt-out guide. If your personal data is on Radaris, you could be at risk of unwanted exposure. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to remove it. Radaris is a people search website that collects and publishes personal details like your name, address, and phone number. If you want to protect your privacy, removing your data is a must. Let's not waste any time. Here's exactly how you can remove your personal details from Radaris in just a few steps. Step 1. Go to radaris.com, type in your first and last name along with your city and state, then hit search. Step 2. Scroll through the results and find your matching profile. Click on Full Profile to access your record. Copy the URL of your correct profile page. Step 3. Now, visit the Radaris Privacy and Control opt-out page. Paste the copied profile URL, enter your name exactly as it appears, complete the CAPTCHA, and provide a valid email address. Then click Send Request. Step 4. Check your email. You should receive a confirmation email from Radaris within a few minutes. Click on the confirmation link in the email to finalize your opt-out request. That's it. Once confirmed, your data should be removed within a few days. Why you should remove your data from Radaris. Leaving your data on Radaris exposes you to scams, spam, and even identity theft. Removing it helps keep your personal details safe. Radaris is just one of many data broker sites. If you want a faster, hassle-free way to remove your information from multiple sites, just visit deletemyinfo.com and let us do the work for you. Like and subscribe for more privacy tips.